Today we are making homemade pasta. Your ingredients are salt, warm water, and flour. Make sure your surface is clean and your hands, because we're going to be working with our hands. First step is getting 3 full cups of flour. And 3. We need to make a hole inside the flour, like a volcano. Now we need to put 1 cup of water. And put it on top. Oops, I forgot the salt. We gotta put 1 teaspoon of salt. And you put it in. Do another volcano hole. And put a little bit of water. If it's too dry, add another bit of water. If it's too wet, add more flour. And the consistency should be mushy, not so dry or wet. Make a ball, squish it, fold it. Until it's not really sticky. Now that we are ready with the pasta, we gotta put it inside a container. People use plastic wrap thingies, but we don't wanna waste plastic, so we're gonna put it in a container. This goes in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now that we are finished, that we let it cool down for 30 minutes, we're gonna sprinkle some flour on the table. Now we're gonna cut the pasta in pieces. Careful with the knife. Don't put your fingers on the blade. So you cut it in half. And then you cut it in another half. Then you're gonna put the pieces back, or else it's gonna be too hard to roll. Get 1 piece, and then you do it with the other ones. So, put the knife away, and get the roller. If you put too much flour, it's going to be a little too hard to roll. So let's put some flour aside. I think I put a little bit too much flour. Okay, now it's perfect. Now we're gonna cut it out. I'm gonna show you how to make lasagna or linguine. Linguine are striped and lasagna are squared. Make lines and then you cut this. Ta-da! Now I'm going to show you linguine. you have to make lines. And your linguine. Here are other pastas that you could make. So you get a piece of dough, get a non-sharp knife, squish it just a little bit, and then you roll and squeeze it until you made one.